everybody the Model 3 scissor doors and how they work and how they open and close. We want everyone to understand specifically how you close the door while you're in the car, how they swing out, and then how they go up. So when you're sitting inside and you want to close it, all you do is slide it down like this with your arm to the bottom and swing in. And to open it, you push the button, it pops open naturally. You swing it out and lift it up by either the armrest or the bottom of the door and swing it up. Again, here's a little better close-up view. Out and up. You can't close it earlier. You can't damage the car, it won't move. You can't open it incorrectly, it won't damage anything. It'll only open and close at the bottom. So it's all pivoted and designed inside. You can't do anything there. So it has to swing out 2 feet and then up. And the shock is super easy. It doesn't require much power. It just takes a little bit of force to get it started. I'll kind of show you with my fingers here. Like this. Once it goes up, you just kind of slow it down so it doesn't bang around. It's great. It's patented. Made in USA. Thanks again for watching. And one more close-up view of what it looks like inside. We'll just go in here. You can see this is your normal door jamb. And when it's up and in, there's only the one main wire harness which connects really high up. But other than that, you don't see anything hanging down. And when you close the door, it looks just like brand new. So again, it's just a hinge replacement. Don't think anything's happening to your doors or anything. It doesn't void any warranties. There's no wire splicing whatsoever. Everything would be covered. Door switches, power, no warranty compromising issues whatsoever. Very cool, a nice open way to see in the car. And look at that beautiful steering wheel. And look at that interior. It looks great. And you can see there's no wires hanging down. It's super clean. And again, close is down the bottom, swing in and open, out and up. And again, these are made by Vertical Doors. They made thousands of these over the years for lots of cars, Corvettes, everything you can imagine, Chargers, Camaros, and now for the Model 3, they're making these. So Vertical Doors, made in USA, Lake Elsinore, California. And of course, we are a dealer and a distributor of their products, and of course we install these. So that's it. It's open and close. You can get out normally if you don't want to. You can turn and get out of the car. You don't have to use the door or the vertical part every time. And if you do want to use it, it makes it really easy to get out. One nice thing is in tight garages. So a lot of people have asked us about the distance. So the door has to open about 2 feet. So if you have a tight garage, this sure makes it easier to get in and out. So it's up, down, and again, we're going to take some pictures of what you're actually getting. And remember, the door doesn't come off the car, the fender is removed, and the hinge is changed. That's it. It does take many hours to do. Instructions and everything's coming from Vertical Doors soon. We'll have them downloadable on the website as soon as the PDF file's finished. But for now, we're installing them here in Southern California. Thanks again for watching. It's RPM Tesla. You can see right here where the new hinge is up inside. And thanks for watching.